My name is Harmony. I'm 15 years.
Hi, my name's Lily. I'm 9 and my class is Unuku.
Hi, I'm Alia. I'm 10 years old and my class is Unuku.
I'm Ashley, 15, and I went to Bathgate from when it opened till 2019.
Just that kid with all the other kids just watching, wishing I was like that. And then I did want to be like that. And I went to a music teacher, told him I wanted to play instrument, and then he just told me the basics. And then after that he taught me more. And the first band I played in, we entered in Band Quest, and then we won 2 awards, Best Original and Best Bass Player. And then photographer came and took my photo, asked me a bunch of questions, and ended up on our newspaper.
A couple years ago we made a paper mache dinosaur named Sally.
The reason why we named it Sally is because we used quite a lot of sellotape. And now she's like a movie star.
Yeah, she kind of tours the school.
And that's pretty cool.
This is a shark we made, but the shark's name's Dog, because we were doing like paper mache like animals for art, and I wanted a little shark, and then it ended up being a bit bigger than what I expected, and then everyone helped along, and it was just this big project for everyone. Like, I always enjoyed coming to school. I liked being able, like, I had music and like the art room and all that as like an environment where I was welcomed whenever, so it was always something that was just available, and it was just like the passion I had for learning, and it was so good.
So my name is Timaima.
My name's Ricky Toria.
I am 11 and I'm a year 7.
I am 10 and I'm a year 5.
What's your favorite thing about dance class?
I like getting to see like my class, like their styles, how they like to dance, and like it's fun because watching all like their different ways of dancing, but like we're all doing the same dance.
I like creating my dance and then like distributing it to other people, and I also like picking out ideas from dances that we've already seen. How many performances have you done so far?
I've done something around 8, like Kapahaka Pacifica, the Matariki performances, productions.
I think I've done a little more than 6, but really we're always learning, but in different forms. But it's so good. It's fun.